Data is the new gold, the new currency of the digital age. Listen, it's the careful and in-depth analysis of your data that renders you with invaluable insights into your business operations. From unit histories and your most efficient technicians to part usage and so much more. But what if I told you that you're being denied access to the very data goldmine you dug up? What if you were forbidden from accessing your own data? You may have already experienced this with other pieces of software you've relied on. They're now hoarding and locking away your valuable data. And when you need to export it, a relentless paywall pops up. Should you really have to pay for accessing the data you rightfully own? You don't deserve that. You deserve a system that not only streamlines your workflow, but also effortlessly delivers your data with no hidden costs. You deserve better. And with it, full ownership and absolute control over your own data.